Welcome to my review of Deserve, a credit builder platform designed to help individuals with limited or no credit history establish a solid credit score. If you're looking for an effective and user-friendly way to improve your credit, Deserve could be the tool you need. In this video, I'll guide you through the entire process of signing up, using the website, and what you can expect from their services. First off, Deserve makes it easy for beginners to get started with their credit building journey. You don't need a prior credit history or security deposit to qualify for their credit building products, which sets it apart from traditional credit cards. Upon visiting their website, you'll immediately notice the clean and modern design, which is both intuitive and easy to navigate. Deserve aims to make credit building accessible to everyone, even if you've never had a credit card before. The site offers a variety of credit products, including the Deserve Edu MasterCard for students and the Deserve Classic MasterCard. Each card is designed to fit different financial needs, whether you're a student trying to build your credit from scratch or someone looking to rebuild their credit score. When you sign up, you're given a straightforward application process. You'll need to provide basic information like your name, address, income, and social security number. Deserve uses this data to assess your eligibility without requiring a credit history check, which is a huge plus if you're just starting out. One of the key features of Deserve is its credit building strategy. They report to all three major credit bureaus: Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. This ensures that your credit activity is being monitored and reported, which helps you build your credit score over time as long as you maintain responsible spending habits. Another great aspect of Deserve is that it doesn't charge an annual fee for some of their cards, which means you can start building credit without paying high fees upfront. As a user, the experience is seamless. The website and mobile app are well designed, providing an easy way to manage your card and track your progress. You can view your spending, make payments, and even monitor your credit score directly from the platform. The mobile app provides instant notifications, helping you stay on top of your payments and usage. One of the most helpful features is Deserve's rewards program, which allows you to earn cashback on eligible purchases. While the rewards may not be the highest in the industry, they're a nice bonus while you're building your credit. You can redeem the rewards for statement credits, gift cards, or other options. Security is also a priority for Deserve, as they offer standard security measures like encryption, fraud protection, and the ability to freeze your card directly from the app. This makes managing your credit and finances even more convenient and secure. Overall, I'm impressed with Deserve's offerings. Whether you're starting fresh or rebuilding your credit, the platform provides a straightforward and affordable way to improve your credit score. The combination of no annual fees, free credit score monitoring, and a simple user interface makes it a solid choice for anyone looking to take control of their financial future. If you're considering using Deserve, I recommend it based on my experience. Be sure to manage your credit responsibly, and you'll likely see positive results over time. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews on financial products and services.